of plastic. Okay, a USB-C port. Check it out. Double click. Okay, it's turning. Okay, so let's say without using the cover, does it get to turn on? Nope. Red light means it does not have the security features, which is great. Oh, this one is the V2. As you can see, the plate is pointing up. Okay, so only when you have it lock it as shown here, have a click sound. That show is working. That shows. Okay. Made of plastic. Good. That's a good grips. Yes. That's what I'm looking for. It's not that heavy. Let me see how heavy does this weigh. Give me a moment. Okay, 536 grams. That's great. This looks small. Okay.